With more than 20,000 weddings scheduled to take place along with Sri Sri Ravi Shankar's World Cultural Festival and some events hosted by Radha Swami Satsang Byas, Delhi is expected to witness massive gridlocks on the arterial roads today.
We are fully geared up to handle this mega event here. We have made adequate arrangements and deployments have been done. We have issued an advisory in today's newspapers which must be seen by everyone who wants to come to this place or wants to use this stretch. Very heavy vehicular movement as well as pedestrian movement is expected on Noida Link Road, right from Chila border from Noida towards Akshardham, and also traffic would be heavy on Ring Road from Bhairav Marg up to Ashram Chowk, and also on D&D flyover. National Highway 24 will also be affected because of a lot of traffic movement. So those who are trying to use this stretch for transit should avoid these areas and must use alternate roads which are available, like Vikas Marg, Mathura Road, Wazirabad Road and Kalindi Kunj. As and when need be, the Noida Link Road traffic will be closed. We have already informed Noida Traffic Police about this.
And those dreaded traffic jams and tailbacks have in fact already begun on major roads in the national capital. Let's in fact take a look at what the situation is like at the moment. All these areas that you see that are marked in deep red indicate that there are massive gridlocks in these areas. This is of course the Delhi-Noida direct flyway. It is beyond this that this event, the Sri Sri Ravi Shankar event, is taking place on the banks of the river Yamuna, and all major roads leading up to the venue are gridlocked even as we speak, and it is widely expected that the situation is going to get worse as the day progresses. Remember, the event kicks off only at 5 in the evening, but the traffic jams have already begun. The police have in fact identified certain roads which they're advising people to avoid. These are the Ring Road stretch in South Delhi, the Noida Link Road, the D&D flyway, National Highway 24, areas near Akshardham, Mayur Vihar, Mehrauli, Badarpur Road, Ashram Chowk, Aurobindo Marg, Mahipalpur Chowk and the Mehrauli Gurgaon Road. These of course pretty much cover all major arteries and intersections in South and East Delhi.